Welcome to the Powerful Female Leaders Podcast. I'm your host, Anna Patricia Bourgeois, certified business coach. I am here to help you up-level, generate consistent wealth, increase your confidence, attract dream clients, and master your mindset so that you can fully own your power and achieve next-level results in your online business and beyond. Every week, a powerful conversation will take place with amazing guests, or I'll share from my experience to help inspire you to start and scale the business of your dreams while being powerfully you. The time has come to stop playing small, stop hiding, and stop waiting. Now is the perfect time for you to passionately pursue your heart's desire as the powerful leader you were born to be. Are you ready? Let's do this. Today's topic: clients who do this always have the best results. So after working with many women and helping them grow their businesses, I've noticed that the ones who truly accomplish everything they desire are the ones who understand this very notion. The notion that you are the centerpiece. So everything begins and ends with you, right? Your growth as an individual will define the growth of your business, and your ability to go deep with yourself and being honest with yourself will allow you to go deep with your work and your clients too. So it all starts with you and your ability to have those extraordinary conversations that leads to extraordinary conversations and results with your clients. So the power that you hold inside to get past your negative thoughts, your negative beliefs, and your limiting inner dialogues that are disempowering you, those disempowering stories from your past, the sooner you can bounce back, the sooner you realize that we all have those stories and those beliefs, and that we are responsible for shifting them and taking control of them. This is where it all begins. I know it may seem a little woo or a little like, okay, that's mindset. I know that, but it's just so true, because I honestly sat down and I'm like, okay, if I look back at my clients' results, what did they work on that truly helped them get where they're at? And every single one of them had that in common. They all came to me with specific struggles and challenges and deep inner, either if it was wounds or limiting beliefs or things they were afraid of or doubts that they had, they've all worked through them so they could take action, feel confident, and achieve what they set out to do. It might seem simple, but that deep inner work is where everything shifts. Is honestly the true work. That's the true work. Because when you honestly release all those limiting things, it's just so freeing. And then you can be yourself. You can just be yourself, and you can just show up the way you truly want to show up, and everything will really come from there. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. So you get to choose. You get to choose your beliefs every single day. So observing them, listening to them, being aware, creating that hyper awareness around those beliefs, and choosing to say, nope, I'm making a conscious decision today to shift that belief. And then start to reaffirm new, better beliefs that are going to serve you in the long run. And that maybe you won't believe at first. It takes time. It takes time to implement and shift and start to believe a new story. Start to believe new thoughts. But we have to start somewhere. We have to start somewhere. So if you want an extraordinary business and work with extraordinary clients, we have to do the work on ourselves first to become that extraordinary coach. Because it's all about who we are and
who we're becoming in the process of achieving our goals. So if you want consistent high income months in your coaching practice or if you're a service provider, you have to work on yourself until you get to generate that results and sustain that level of income, right? So it all starts with you. You want to have a greater impact on the world. Work on yourself until you can do what it takes to create that impact, right? So it all starts with overcoming our fears and going for our highest potential. You are the force that drives it all. You are so powerful. You have to believe that. And you have to believe that you have what it takes to make those changes. I want you to start embodying everything you preach. I want you to make sure that you're always evaluating yourself. Are you in integrity right now? Are you in integrity with what you said you'd do? Right? Make sure that you are doing what you encourage your clients to do for themselves. Make sure that you're decisive. Make sure that you're committed, right? Because your clients will only go as far as you'll go yourself, right? So commit today to always being aware of where you are at today and what needs to be done to move forward. Where's like one area that maybe we have to work on more to really go and be who we need to become, to be that centerpiece, to be that leader. Because that's all it means is that you're a powerful leader. Leadership. If you're listening to this podcast, it means that you identify with being a powerful leader. So now, where are you on that scale from 1 to 10? 10 being the most freaking power bomb on this planet, right? Where are you on that scale? And get honest with yourself. What areas could you improve to step even further into that leadership role? It means that you make the moves, even when there's fear, even when you feel like no one's watching, even when you feel like no one's responding to your posts or commenting or reaching out, even if you feel like you're getting crickets. You are still holding your power because you know who you are. You know who you are so deep down, and nothing can shake you. Nothing can move you away from that power. Being a powerful leader means that you're always open to growth and feedback. You always seek to improve, and you take responsibility of your actions and commitments, right? When you do, that's going to build your confidence. When we are decisive with our own responsibility in our lives, people will be decisive with us. This is what it means to be a powerful leader. It means that we take action every single day, no matter how small our steps are, no matter how, even if it's just waking up today and being so grateful, that's one step. It doesn't need to be huge leaps. And it's so easy to get sucked up in this online space of overnight success and thinking people are becoming millionaires overnight. That's not how it works. It's in the little incremental steps that we do every single day and how we feel every single day. We cannot always do something because we expect something in return. I cannot tell you how many times I went live, how many times I posted, and I heard crickets. I thought no one was listening, no one was watching. What's the point? But then, when I switched my mindset to, hell no, there's always lurker out there who watch my every move, even if they don't say anything, I know they are there, right? People are always watching you. Always. Leaders take action every single day. This is something that is like a non-negotiable. And my clients who got the best results are the ones who keep moving. They move. They try things. Even if it doesn't work, they try again a different way, a different strategy. They always keep going and implement. And like I said, those who bounce back quickly from things that are not going their way are the ones who learn faster. They learn faster and then they implement faster. And then they get their results faster. This is like the biggest thing here, is that we have to embody what we say we are. Because when we feel it so deeply, that's when we become magnetic. That's when we attract the people. Because we're not doing things from a scarcity, needy place. We do things because we want to create an impact. We want to share our story. We want to create an emotion. We want to help. We want to be of service. So when we shift that thought from I need this, I need to do this, I need to do that, right? To I get to do this because I love to do this. This is my mission. This is my vision. Everything changes. And yeah, you just operate from a different frequency because you operate from desire. Everything you do is for desire, is from your desires. It's all birthed from there. And to finish this, powerful leaders are afraid, but they do it anyways. I cannot tell you how many times I was scared shitless, but I still did it anyways. Honestly, my first lives were awful. I was scared. I did it anyways. My first investment was scary. I was like, I don't have the money for this. I did it anyways. And every single time I took a leap on myself, every single time I said yes to myself, even if it was scary, I've always grown so much and learned so much. And powerful leaders always commit to themselves, invest in themselves. They get the support they know they deserve because they know they're here to make big moves, right? And change the world. And to do that, we have to be that kind of person. If you know you're ready to up level, I have so many different ways you can work with me right now. I have 2 spots left in my online business accelerator. It's my private 101 program. I have a few spots left for intensive next week. You can also come to me with determination, a clear goal that you want to accomplish, a budget that you may have that you don't know if, what can we do with this? But you're ready. You're determined, right? You have it. You have that fire in you and you're ready to do whatever it takes to achieve all your wildest dream. Together, we'll figure out a customized package just for you. And honestly, there's so many ways you can get the help today in this online coaching space. So yeah, you are your own limit. Always remember that. Taking that action is so simple. And I'm just so freaking excited. So freaking excited for you. Let's make magic happen. And yeah, you know where to find me. Send me a DM if you have any questions about anything. I am here for you. And yeah, there's nothing more that I want for you. To truly live and embody that leader that you know you are. And making those moves that leaders do. And getting the results that leaders get.
Thank you so much for listening to this episode of the Powerful Female Leaders Podcast. If you love this episode, make sure to spread the message, leave a review, and subscribe. I would forever be grateful for you. I also want to hear from you, and I want to know your feedback and your questions for future episodes. So don't be shy, say hi, and send me a message at Powerful Female Leaders Podcast on Instagram. Until then, I'll see you on the next episode.